Yet another report tonight says the BC economy is at the head of the pack in Canada when it comes to recovery. The BMO report predicts that a strong housing market and rising commodity prices will spark a dramatic turnaround for BC's gross domestic product. That report just the latest in a recent round of good signs. Keith Baldry reports.
Government Street in Victoria. Last year at this time, it was nearly deserted as the recession kept spenders at bay. Today, though, it's alive with people. More importantly, people spending money.
We've definitely seen an increase in business. I've seen it's more of a relaxed consumer environment.
Tourism is making a comeback here as well. Cruise ships pour shoppers into town, and this year they're opening their wallets more liberally.
This summer, they're shopping for fun. They want souvenirs from the places that they've been, and they're just a little bit more eager to spend their money.
And it's not just tourism that is on the climb. Construction projects are being built again and homes are being sold. Indeed, almost every economic indicator is on the climb or is expected to increase in this province. Housing starts are expected to jump 3.8% this year. Retail sales are expected to be up almost 9% over last year. Building permits are up 47.5%. And tourism visits are up 30% compared to the same time last year. And BC's important resource industries are also showing signs of life. A sawmill in Mackenzie reopened earlier this month, a major economic development for that region. A survey of small and medium business owners, in fact, show a 47% increase in business confidence. 9 sawmills have reopened across the province, and 2 major metal mines are now under construction. All good news, according to the province's finance minister.
Well, actually, things are looking pretty positive. We're starting to see retail sales coming back up to near record levels.
Employment is climbing, but there is one worry. Many jobs are now part-time, not full-time.
Well, I think we are seeing some steady growth in full-time jobs in the province. We're seeing many of the mills in the interior British Columbia and some on the coast that are either opening up again or adding new shifts on because of the increased demand for BC lumber.
So BC's economy is indeed getting stronger, but it may well be up to the beleaguered forest industry to keep its momentum growing, to keep it that way. As forestry and other resource industries go, so goes BC.
And one Vancouver high-end car dealer is also betting that the future is looking brighter for the ultra-rich. As of tomorrow, he'll be selling the car that is virtually synonymous with moving on up. Here's Ted Field.
When you want to talk about something luxurious, 2 words usually pop into mind: Rolls-Royce. The brand of cars and famous trademark has been around for decades. There are only a few hundred Rolls registered in BC, but that will change now that a dealership has popped up in Vancouver.
Rolls-Royce has had plans for a long time to further develop the Canadian market. With only the dealer in Toronto, we didn't have the coverage that we needed in terms of sales or in terms of service.
Final touches are being put on the showroom that will open tomorrow. The local dealer was, as Rolls likes to say, appointed in the middle of last year when the economy was reeling and some major car companies were downsizing. Even without a showroom and financial uncertainty, Rolls-Royce says it's been taking local orders.
Given that we haven't had a showroom to display the cars, we've taken 6 orders so far, and we hope that that will increase now that we're open.
Rolls-Royce has even unveiled a new lower-priced model, the Ghost. But just because the price is lower than the legendary Phantom, that doesn't mean you're getting a 4-banger under the hood.
563 horsepower, 575 foot-pound of torque.
What sort of gas mileage does that get?
It's actually best in class.
Best in class for a V12 engine. This Ghost goes for just over $335,000. The last one to arrive for the big opening is the largest, the Rolls-Royce Phantom extended wheelbase. It's coming in at over $500,000. It may be a sign there's money out there and they hope to get sales on a roll.
We expect to sell bulk Ghost, 15 to 20 per year, we hope, as well as 4 to 5 Phantoms.
Ghosts and Phantoms on the local scene are hopefully signs of a stable economy where consumer confidence will spread its wings like the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament and not disappear.